And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechChex back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox something beautiful. I'm gonna show you something that we can add to our Panasonic G9. And guess what that is? A battery grip. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. And a bunch of unboxings as well for your cameras. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So first and foremost, if you are new to the channel, welcome. We are doing 3 videos in a week upload. So if you want to check me out, you'll be able to see me on Mondays around noon, 3 times a week, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So go ahead and check that out. So here we go. Let's go ahead and look at, of course, I'm too cheap to buy the original Panasonic G9 grip from Panasonic. And today we're looking at the newer version. And let's see if this is even legitimately good. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have. There you go. So packaging right here, not so well. A lot of literature, nothing in the box anymore. Let's put that away. Woo! Put that on the side. Tells you the instructions and what they do function-wise. There you go. Pretty basic stuff. I probably won't even read it, so I'll just put this down on the side right there. And the main event, the battery grip. There you go. There you go. So as you can see there, the battery grip for our Panasonic G9. You know, the best thing about this is having the batteries coming out of the side. So I'm actually planning on buying a battery that is connected to the power adapter, which is a DC power. With this, I'll be able to change battery from the tripod, or even yet plug in our Panasonic G9. So this is a plastic build, for those of you who are wondering, but it feels actually nice. Like, this is very grippy. I don't know if that's the same on our Panasonic. Actually, I like this better from the newer. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out. On top there, as you could see, the sides, it also has an analog. Bottom, tripod mount. This is pretty basic stuff up there. The cover for it. There you go. And up here is the battery. Same way, flip the switch and it opens. And there you go. So next step is gonna mount it on our Panasonic G9. As you can see there. And the bottom right here, pretty powerful device right there. Just put this over here so we don't lose that. We're gonna go and mount this in the front now, on the bottom now, just like that. And to mount it properly, you need to tighten up with that, just like that. What I don't like about this right away is this is just in the back. It doesn't have it on the front. It does look better, but it's just harder to lock it in place. As you can see there, it already mounts fairly well. So you can see the seams and the gaps right there. They're very nice. It actually doesn't feel as plasticky as it's mounted onto the Panasonic G9. So this is a fairly cheap version of the grip. This is about $50 on Canadian. The Panasonic G9 one is $300, so I didn't want to spend that much on it. Next step is to put on a battery. There you go. Make sure to take off the silica gel. You don't need that in there anymore. And right there, and it clicks right in. Good to go. Power it up. As you could see there, it says BG on the battery, which means battery grip. Now I'm wondering, once the battery grip runs out of battery, then it'll start to use the camera's battery, because right now I have a battery inside the camera and the battery grip, so technically I have two batteries. So let's check that out and see if that's gonna work. So what we'll do, we'll just take out the battery from the battery grip. There you go. As soon as you take off the battery, it'll shut off a bit, but it'll start to use the camera battery. That's pretty cool. And right away, as soon as I put the battery in, battery grip is here. Now let's test out some functions. So as you could see here, right away, you'll be able to change the shutter speed right there. Up top here, you'll be able to change if your lens is able to do that. Mine is through the front right here, so it doesn't do that. But if your lens are able to do that, then you'll be able to change the aperture up here. So you could see, let's do the ISO. There you go. And changed out the ISO, no problem. And the white balance. There you go. It's weird because then this is a better shutter. I find like this is a better one because it has a half step on it. So if you're right there, I'm doing half step. Easier to use than the actual G9, so that I give him perks for that. And there's an on and off button. So clearly the on and off button is just for the battery grip. It's not really for the Panasonic G9, but that's all right. A&E lock right there. If you don't want to use the half step, of course. And then the joystick. It all works. Pretty cool. That's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing / initial review for the Panasonic G9 grip. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, smash the like button as well. Comment below what I could improve on, and also comment below if you are gonna buy one of these grips. I'll link this down in the description below as well. In conclusion, I find it really nice. For the price, you get a lot of, you get the full functioning grip for the Panasonic G9, and I find it even, like I said before, the shutter is even better than the actual Panasonic G9. I hope you guys stay safe out there during this quarantine times. Make sure to wash your hands and stay safe out there. Peace.